So, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope that you all are doing well. So, today we are going to discuss one more important topic in context with accountancy, and it is also a kind of business model, a type of business. So, dear students, the topic which we are going to discuss today is partnership. I knew that you might have heard regarding this model of business, but when we come to the point view of examination, as currently it's one of the trending topics for the different examination, and we can say that whole accountancy has been added as one of the trending topics for the examination. So today we will discuss this partnership, its introduction, and how it works actually. So we will start. I had written over here on this whiteboard the definition of partnership. So before we will go in deep of any business model, first of all, we should be well aware about that model. So from context view of examination, this chapter is very important. So we will deal with this from simple to complex, and starting straight away with the definition of partnership, I will read for you people aloud. According to the section 4 of Indian Partnership Act 1932, a partnership is a relation between two or more persons who have agreed to share profits and losses carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So actually, the language used in this definition is quite simple, and I hope that you are getting these points, and there is no confusion regarding this. But before I will explain this definition, the introduction to this partnership, I will tell you that this partnership model of business, or we can simply say partnership, this is one of the deepest topics of accountancy. So there is nothing like cakewalk for any student. So you should be very patient. We will go from simple to complex. So talking about the partnership, what this actually says, before discussing the definition of the partnership, we should know this act first, that is 1932. Actually, every business setup, it is governed by certain rule and regulation which are set up on certain act, and similarly 1932 is nothing, it is just an act which deals with this partnership model of business. So what actually 1932 Partnership Act says, it says a partnership is a relation between two or more persons who have agreed to share the profits and losses carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So the most important thing in this definition is that there is a relationship. There is a relationship here, and this relationship is between two or more persons. So the first point coming out from this definition, that the minimum number of partners to form any kind of partnership model of the business. I am using the word different types because we have different kinds of partnership. So the minimum number of partners required to form a partnership business, so we need two persons for this. I hope that you are getting this. So coming to the next point, who have agreed to share profits and losses carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So the second point which is coming out from the same definition is that it is not necessary that in partnership, if there are two minimum number of partners, in a partnership, so it is not necessary that each of them are working in the business. So this is one of the most important thing, that either a single partner can carry the business or every partner of the firm can contribute in the partnership firm. So actually by chance I had read out two words, which is firm and partners. Actually, whenever we will talk about this partnership, we adjust this firm word with this partnership. So where this firm word comes, actually each individual, according to the Partnership Act, each individual, let's suppose there are four partners A, B, C and D who had formed a partnership individually. If we talk about individually about these subjects, these partners, we will call them simple partners. Now if we talk wholly as a whole, if we talk as a whole about these partners, this becomes a partnership firm. It is an interrelated concept actually. So only thing you need to know that if we talk individually regarding these individuals who are carrying the business, we will call them that these are partners. And if we are taking it as a collaboration, then we will call it that it is a firm. Number one. So I think the definition and introduction of partnership firm is clear to you. So one more concept we are going to discuss regarding this partnership is that partnership deed. What's actually partnership deed? It's an agreement. So talking in detail regarding this concept, in the beginning of this lecture, I had told you that a partnership is a business where two or more persons with mutual understanding collaborate with each other and they agree that we will carry on this kind of business. So actually when these two partners are more than two partners, they come together and they form this model of business. So the question arises here that sometimes what happens, apart from the capital is the money which is brought by the owner of the business in the beginning of the business, or sometimes for some modification additional capital is also brought. We will discuss these concepts in the later lectures. So what I was talking, that when these two persons collaborate with each other with mutual understanding, so they form this model. So the rules and regulations of the business, whether any partner is given any salary, whether any partner is given any commission, if any partner has given loan, so what will be the interest rate given to him, everything, and name of the firm, location of the firm, everything is. So these all conditions apply to that particular partnership firm. So the most important question arises here, that if this partnership deed is absent, or there is no partnership, or there is an oral partnership deed between the partners, so which rules prevail to this partnership firm at that situation? So if there is absence of this partnership agreement, that is partnership deed, so this 1932 act comes into play. What actually this 1932 act provides, if the partnership deed is absent regarding the different appropriations of profit, salary, commission, and so on. According to this 1932 Act, if partnership deed is absent regarding any condition laid down before starting the partnership business, so this provides that no partner in the business, in the partnership firm, will be provided salary if there is no such an agreement between those partners. Number one. And number second is, there is no commission provided to any partner. So number third is that if a partner has given loan to the partnership firm, he will be entitled 6% interest per annum if this partnership agreement is absent regarding any rate provided to that partner. And there are also other conditions which has been laid down and discussed in this partnership deed. Actually, this was an introduction lecture to this partnership model of business. We will carry on this lecture in detail, and for now it is actually enough. And for now we are closing this lecture, and I hope that you like this lecture. And if you like this lecture, please subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon so that the notifications will come first to you. Thank you very much.